How to update Block Blast app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to update your Block Blast game. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, make sure to fully close all the app from the background. And here once that's done, simply open the Play Store app. And here make sure that you're logged into your account. And once inside the app, simply tap on the search icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And here, once you are in your search section, simply tap on the search bar at the top. And here simply search for Block Blast. And from the result page, simply tap on the Block Blast at the top. And here, once you see the interface like this, go ahead and tap if an update button is available to you. And once you tap on it, it will download and install the latest version of the game. But here, as you can see, I have already installed the latest version of the game. And that's it. That's how you can update your Block Blast app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.